Sunlight filters through the boarded-up windows of the attic, casting an ethereal glow on forgotten treasures. Anna and Ben, siblings in their early teens, kneel beside a wooden box overflowing with their father's untold stories. In the depths of the box lies a superhero costume, a magical watch, a dog collar, an old photograph, a dragon figurine, and a sports trophy. Each item seems to whisper untold stories about their father. Under the veil of night, Captain Courage emerges as a shining beacon of hope, soaring through the city skies. Dr. Chaos, a master of meteorological mayhem, unleashes a tempest of chaos with his sinister device, casting a dark shadow over the city. In a spectacular clash of ideologies, hero and villain collide amidst dazzling special effects, turning the night into a canvas of explosive energy. In a shimmer of temporal energy, Anna and Ben emerge into a sun-drenched small town, observers of a past they're about to rewrite. Unseen, they witness their younger father, Tom, standing as a defiant shield against playground bullies, his eyes blazing with courage. In the harsh light of day, Tom's eyes reflect the unyielding determination of a hero in the making. From Sparky's perspective, sunlight floods the family home, turning dust motes into dancing stars. Sparky lovingly reflects on his dad, a gentle giant whose good heart shines through his endearing clumsiness. Even buried in work, Dad always finds time for fetch, a testament to his unwavering love. In the dimly lit old library, dust motes dance in a solitary beam of light, illuminating a table laden with yellowed letters and the ghosts of forgotten stories. Anna and Ben, shrouded in shadows, meticulously piece together fragments of the past, their quest unveiling their father's childhood companions and a decades-old secret. The air hangs heavy with the scent of aged paper and untold secrets. In the boundless expanse of the fantasy realm, a heroic vision unfolds. Sir Valiant, a knight of unparalleled valor, clashes with a fearsome dragon amidst an epic battle. The landscape pulsates with life as mythical beings converge in a symphony of chaos and courage, reflecting the siblings' idealized perception of their father. Each strike and parry embodies Sir Valiant's unwavering dedication to justice, as envisioned through the eyes of his adoring children. In a vibrant flashback, Coach Tom imparts invaluable life lessons through the spirited game, emphasizing teamwork and sportsmanship. The air crackles with motivational energy as Coach Tom demonstrates perseverance and dedication. The field transforms into a crucible where character is forged and lifelong values are instilled.